Love the sound of a roaring engine, the smell of fresh-cut timber? This is the place for you. We're bringing you the best of forestry machines in action. Epic fails, amazing skills, and everything in between. Subscribe now and join the crew.
Huh? Okay, here.
That's a textbook example of a hazardous situation. Attempting to cut wood while seated on the very trunk you're sawing is fundamentally unsound. It's a testament to good fortune that the individual escaped injury. The Husqvarna 572 XP is a high-performance chainsaw built for tough jobs like cutting large tree roots. With a 70.6 cc engine delivering 5.8 horsepower, it offers great power-to-weight balance at just 6.6 kilograms, 14.5 pounds. Its advanced air filtration and optimized cooling system enhance durability and efficiency. Supporting 20 to 28-inch bars and a 72.2 feet per second chain speed, it cuts through tough wood with ease. Now that's what I call next-level delivery. Gotta give them credit. That's certainly one way to make an entrance. But seriously, who needs lumber that urgently? Maybe they're putting together a luxury treehouse for someone important. Let's be clear, the Vakaba stump lifter is a game changer. I've seen it decimate 200 stumps in a single day. That's not just efficient, it's revolutionary. Yes, it's a $5,000 investment, but in the world of professional landscaping, that's the price of unparalleled performance. Having spent decades in this industry, I can confidently say that the TWF 180 is the most remarkable mulcher I've encountered. Its robust construction, seamless operation, and exceptional results are truly unparalleled. While the $36,000 price tag may seem steep, the time and labor savings it offers make it an undeniably sound investment. Witness its prowess in tackling that formidable stump, and you'll understand precisely what I mean. Let's be clear. The Cord King CS2740. Model 60 isn't just a machine, it's a paradigm shift in firewood processing. Its hydraulic force and precision engineering transform raw logs into uniform, combustion-ready pieces with unparalleled efficiency. This firewood setup is a marvel of engineering. The integration of tractor, trailer, raft, and van demonstrates a profound understanding of logistics and resource optimization. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. I'm thoroughly impressed. Wow, I guess the saying, cameramen are invincible, really holds up. This guy came out without a scratch, or at most, just needs a fresh pair of pants.
Ow. I'm good.
That's wild, a 7-foot wide Douglas fir, but decay's taking over. Those conchs mean nature's reclaiming it, but the lower trunk might still have solid wood. What a way for a giant to go. Watch a seasoned bucker carefully working through a giant Douglas fir on Vancouver Island, showing both skill and respect with every cut. Given the staggering weight and precarious position, the optimal approach was meticulously selected to ensure both personal safety and mission success. Whoa, check out that gnarly beech tree, hanging dead in that spruce. Now that's a disaster waiting to happen. With the rot, it's a total wild card. You never know how it's gonna drop. But hey, that's what the lumberjack experts are for, right? Let's see them work their magic. With the crew's expert guidance, the truck deftly maneuvered the turn, conquering the forest's most challenging curve with ease. That logger demonstrated impeccable felling technique. His precise cuts and calculated directional fall showcased a deep understanding of tree dynamics and safety protocols. This is a masterclass in risk mitigation and efficiency. The Phillips Brothers Sawmill and Box Factory, a venerable institution over a century old, stands as a fascinating case study in industrial evolution. Its operations, from log selection to steam-powered lumber production, offer a tangible link to a bygone era of craftsmanship. While eschewing the relentless pursuit of modern efficiency, the factory exemplifies the remarkable achievements possible with time-honored techniques and a deep-rooted sense of tradition.
The green chain the trimmed lumber on the tram cart, where it'll find.
The ASV RT120 and Grizzly M450S mulcher combo represents a paradigm shift in land management technology. Its compact design belies its exceptional power-to-weight ratio, enabling unparalleled maneuverability and productivity. This machine isn't just moving earth, guy swapped his chainsaw and camera for a crash course in safety.
That wasn't good. Yeah, I fucked up. Well, there's a repair cost there. Cover. And broke the chain brake.